Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tools and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of rotary tool accessories with a focus on grinding metal. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, you know the importance of having the right tools for the job. And when it comes to grinding metal with precision and efficiency, one product stands out from the rest. Introducing the Sworker Carbide Burr Set. This incredible set is compatible with Dremel rotary tools and offers a versatile solution for all your metal grinding needs. With a 1/8 shank and 20 pieces in total, this set is a game-changer for any workshop or garage. What makes the Sworker Carbide Burr Set the best choice for grinding metal? Let's break it down. First off, these burrs are crafted from tungsten carbide, a material known for its durability and toughness. Whether you're working with steel, aluminum, or other metals, these burrs will chew through material like it's nothing. But it's not just about durability. The Sworker Carbide Burr Set is also incredibly sharp and well-balanced, making it perfect for detail work in tight spaces. Plus, with a double-cut design, you'll get clean cuts with minimal effort. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the quality, versatility, and value of the Sworker Carbide Burr Set. From mechanics to DIY enthusiasts, everyone agrees that this set is a must-have for any toolbox. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for the best Dremel bit for grinding metal, look no further than the Sworker Carbide Burr Set. With its durability, sharpness, and versatility, it's a game-changer for any metalworking project. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy grinding!